Facebook star monetization button not showing. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to fix Facebook star monetization button not showing. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device and make sure you are signed in, and now go straight to the menu by tapping on the menu icon on the bottom right of your screen. Here, scroll down and you will see the option for professional dashboard. Tap on that. Here on the top you will see the option for monetization. Tap on that. Now you will see the option for stars. So this is where you will see the stars option. So tap on the set up button and go ahead and tap on get started. Now enter the required information like entering your first and last name, date of birth, and country. Now tap on next. Enter your business type and tap on next again. Now go ahead and enter your city, state, zip, country code, and phone number and tap on next. Also select the checkbox you see there and similarly enter all the required details, and further your monetization on Facebook will be all set. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.